How to join Slack channel. Just joined a new workspace and feel totally lost? Joining the right channel is your golden ticket to stay in the loop. And here's how exactly you do it. Step 1. Open the Slack app on your phone or desktop. Then over here you can see a plus icon, or you can just simply tap on jump to search. This will be little difficult, but then over here you can see channels and then simply search for a channel name. Over here you can if you simply tap on it, there you can see join channel. Tap on it. Like this, you'll be joining the channel on your Slack app. Pro tip: use the search bar to find channel by keywords. Want to stay laser focused? Only join channels directly related to your work. On mobile, swipe left to access the channel browser faster.